2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, cold weather package, center armrest, security system, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.